I'm headed to the sizzling hot Fulton Market neighborhood in the West Loop, to a location that's a short walk from McDonald's headquarters, Google offices, a CTA stop, and a fabulous dining and nightlife scene for a walk through one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new 166. I'm on the wide sheltered balcony of apartment 1213, a northeast corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and I'm looking north. Turning into the living area, 2 walls of windows with roller shades, comfort seating, home office desk set up looking out to the east toward the skyline, and a dining table. You have the efficient U-shaped kitchen that cooks love with a breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters, deep wide undermount stainless steel sink, has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. They have contrasting upper and lower cabinets, all soft close. Upper cabinets are 42-inch for additional storage. Appliance package includes a French door refrigerator with an ice maker in the freezer. You have under cabinet lighting, a tile backsplash, built-in microwave, and 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop. Dishwasher, of course, and we're at a Sweet Home Chicago unit. So it's kitted out with all the countertop appliances, cookware, glasses, dishware, dinnerware, everything you're going to need to feel right at home. Just bring your suitcase. With the center pendant lighting up above the breakfast bar. Turning into the primary bedroom suite. Windows looking out to the east toward the skyline. View of the Willis Tower. Have a queen bed, chest of drawers, lime plank flooring, and high ceilings continuing throughout the apartment. Closets to the left and right, flanking the entrance to the bath. Stylish bath with drawers for storage, wide vanity counter, an undermount sink, Kohler soft close toilet, and you have a nice sized walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. It's a good separation of the bedrooms here for privacy. Heading back toward the entryway and bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, similar furnishings to what you saw in the primary. Window looking out to the north. Designer with black hardware continues throughout the apartment. Looking at bath 2. You have a deep soaking tub. And as you would have walked into the apartment, coat closet off to my right, and a full-size stacked front-loading washer-dryer. 166 is pet-friendly. Amenities include a well-equipped fitness center, an outdoor pool deck, co-working space, resident lounges with a demo kitchen and a gaming area, and a sky garden. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more furnished short-term apartments in Chicagoland and other locations. They're a sweet deal.